So this is David, and I wanted to show you what we're dealing with here on this barrel damaged RV. And let me flip the camera around here. The storm tore off all these doors. It's not really structurally sound. And here's the backup generator. And this is the RV. We gotta get rid of this thing because I can't live in this with a wheelchair and get in and out of the place. It's got some problems, but just to let you know, I mean, this thing is pretty bad off. It's not really structurally sound. The roof is leaking up there. Of course, it's all messed up. Anyway, that's what we're dealing with. I got this compression collar on for my neck so I don't mess up my C5 and C6 anymore. Alright guys, I appreciate any help you can give me. Thank you very much.